It's Sunday and we're about to leave for a one-day road trip to Etretat. Etretat is one of those places that is not on everybody's radar, but once you know about it, this becomes a must-visit place. This is a small town in Normandy, right on the ocean, and probably one of the most picturesque places in France. You have these beautiful gardens on one side of the cliff, beautiful beach right in the middle, and stunning sunset views from the other side. In this video, we're gonna cover them all so that you can see the best Etretat has to offer and why you should add it to your next trip to Paris. Let's go.
La Plage.
We're now to the main beach and we're gonna show you the cliffs. The beach is definitely the best place to start your visit of Etretat. This is where you can see the iconic cliffs on both sides, and from this perspective they appear even bigger. As we're in Normandy, this place can get quite windy, but if you catch it on a sunny day like this, you have to make the most of it and walk all the way from one side to the other towards these beautiful cliffs. I have a few more spots to show you, but before we continue, we're gonna have some lunch. The restaurant I found has a perfect location right on the beach and it has stunning views. Let's now check if the food is just as good. I got the fish with cauliflower puree and the balance is very good. I really like the taste and it's cooked well. I'm gonna now try a small piece of the second dish, which is scallops. So this one is a corn puree.
It's like a corn meal.
Yeah, I like it. So we tried two dishes and it was good quality, well-cooked food. I can't say there was something like, oh wow, but the dishes we took were really good. So if you're in the town and you're looking for a nice place with nice view, consider this one. We came last minute, so we only had this table that's not by the window. But if you book even a couple of days in advance, you can have a good table. Yeah, I would say like a solid 4.5. So it has this typical architectures. You see there's a lot of brick and wood and it's kind of dark. This is what I associate with this part of France. After you explored the beach, you should go up towards the chapel. It offers you a much different view from up top, and this is the favorite place of the photographers. So here we also took some film shots, and then we head to the third must-see spot, Jardins d'Étretat. So we came to the gardens and the lady said it should take about an hour, but we kind of only have 30 minutes. So we're gonna try to make the most of the time. And the main part is those sculptures of emotions. Let's go see them. Before we came to visit, I thought that Emotions Garden was kind of the main part of Jardins d'Étretat, and I was really wrong. So the garden is more than 100 years old. It was created in 1905, but then in 2017 the garden concept was completely redesigned by a landscape artist, Alexander Grifko. And today the garden consists of 7 different spaces. The first and most known one is the Garden of Emotions. This is Samuel Salsiter's sculptures that depict a wide range of human emotions. The second one is the Impressions Garden that offers amazing panoramic view of the English Channel and the cliffs. And this is a place where many of the painters drew their inspiration. My favorite part was the Zen Garden, a very calming space with beautiful lanterns. So we were about to leave and then we discovered that there's a second side. And when we start walking here, it's actually pretty big. And I personally prefer this side. For once, there's nobody because everybody is at the entrance where the faces are. The majority of people truthfully come here to take photos. But this side is actually just as nice. So if you come into the garden, don't skip on the left side because you might enjoy it quite a bit more than the other one. So this is definitely a must visit if you're traveling to Etretat. And after that we headed to the last planned activity of this trip, a photo shoot. Now going to the car, we couldn't park in this parking which is closest to the beach. So we have to walk a little bit. So the parking that is 5 minutes away.
Yep, 5 minutes.
It's all the way there. And the town is all the way there.
Oh, we're at the town.
Look, so this is the church. And
wow, the church is on the edge of the other side of the town. Other side, this is the town.
So it's kind of the only choice you get when this other parking is full. We came, at 12, which is kind of, I think probably the most popular time. Yeah. So I feel like if you come around 9, 10 maybe, you probably will get a spot. But around lunchtime, it's a hard bet. But yeah, we've got a 15-minute walk.
15 minutes sometimes includes stopping to take photos.
No, it's not true. Anyway, we're now walking back to the car to change before the photo shoot. We had a quick outfit change and we're now walking to meet our photographer. Booking photo shoots is one of those things that unexpectedly became one of the favorite activities on any trip. We first tried it in Berlin. We wanted to capture some of our favorite spots, and then we realized how much it adds to any trip. By the time we went up and down, I'm just like, all my makeup, all my hair is just like gone. Not only it's a fun experience, but you also have this beautifully captured memories. An added bonus if you travel to a location you don't know, a local photographer would also be able to show you the most picturesque spots. And this was definitely the case on this trip. Not only we got the beautifully captured memories, but we also saw the spots that we wouldn't have otherwise. And while it took us a few steps uphill to get to this spot, it was definitely worth it. On the beach. We absolutely loved working with our photographer. She knows the best spots with the best views. I'm leaving her contacts in the description. When it comes to Etretat, she is the person to get in touch with. We're done with the photo shoot. It was very nice, very challenging too. Challenging because we had to climb a lot. She showed the reference photo, which was very beautiful, and it turns out the location is like 20-minute uphill walk, but it was worth it. Do you agree with me or not?
Yeah, no, yeah. I mean, I think a lot of people might not bother to walk that far to get a photo, so yeah, I don't think we would have thought to go there either.
No, it was a good view, and then she said that her husband works at a restaurant here and it's the best one in the area, so we decided to go eat there before we drive back to Paris. Yeah, so the restaurant has no reservations, which is good for us because Otherwise, we might have not gotten a table. So it's a simple food, but it's really good. The fish, it has a very pronounced taste from the grill. How do you call it? It's like smoke taste, or
maybe seared, smoked.
yeah, seared smoke taste. But it's also has a lot of natural like flavor of the fish, good texture. And I ordered the daily side, yeah, daily special side, and it's really good. This is probably my favorite that I've all we tried, because they have it's vegetables like carrots and zucchinis with garlic sauce, and the sauce makes everything. Stop stealing my veggies. Yeah, the veggies are very popular on that side of the table. Well, galette I like a little less, but it's more like the way I like galettes. I want them crunchy. It's not how they usually are, but it's just how I like them. But the inside is good, like the filling is good. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the beautiful city of Etretat. If you're planning your visit and have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.